Hi guys! We're here in Twin Lakes Hotel, Tagaytay. Ito po ang lobby ng hotel with a big Christmas tree, huge one. Yan po ang kanilang chandelier. A great place to stay here in Tagaytay City. Malaking teddy bear dito. There's a big teddy bear here. Hello, buddy bear. How are you? Yan po ang concierge area. Yan ang front desk and here's the concierge. Kung gusto nyo mamili ng mga souvenir, the teddy bears with Twin Lakes. Ito po ang price ng mga ensaymada, ng pastries. Ito po siya. And this is the Sabana Bar. Sabana Bar. You can order different kinds of drinks here. Masaya po dito pag night. Yan, may puto bumbong, may bibingka, hot choco, and a good coffee.
Pili po kayo, baka po meron po ang gusto niyo. Sige po.
Thank you. Had one. It takes. Yan ang kanilang Yamaha piano. Automatic, plays by himself. Ang cute, diba? Stay na po dito. Yan ang Twin Lakes Cafe area. Okay. Thank you for watching.
Last year, nagpunta kami sa